In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Tutor LMS on WordPress. By the end, you'll have the free Tutor LMS plugin added to your site and ready to go, using only the built-in WordPress interface. This walkthrough assumes you're already logged into your WordPress dashboard with an account that has permission to install plugins. First, head to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find Plugins and click it. From there, select Add New. This takes you to the official plugin directory inside your site, where you can search and install extensions safely without leaving WordPress. If you don't see the Add New option, it usually means your user role doesn't have the required rights, or your hosting provider has restricted plugin installations, so you may need to check that before continuing. At the top right of the Add Plugins page, you'll see a search box. Click into that search field and type Tutor LMS. As you type, WordPress will filter the results in real time. Give it a moment to load everything. Sometimes it takes a second or two depending on your connection. Now look for the listing that reads Tutor LMS, e-learning and online course solution. This is the free plugin you want. You'll typically see the familiar Tutor LMS logo, a high install count, and strong reviews. Be sure you pick this exact plugin so you're installing the official solution and not a similarly named add-on. If you're unsure, the plugin card's description will mention online course creation and management, which confirms you're in the right place. Once you've found it, click the Install Now button on that plugin card. WordPress will download and unpack the plugin for you. The button will change status while it processes, and then, when installation completes, you'll see it switch to Activate. Click Activate. Activation turns the plugin on so your site can use it immediately. After activation, you may notice new menu items in your dashboard related to Tutor LMS, or you might be taken to a welcome or setup page. That's normal and simply indicates the plugin is active. If the Install Now button was grayed out, double-check your user role and verify that your site can reach the WordPress plugin repository. If the search returned no results, confirm your internet connection and try again. And that's it. You navigated to Plugins, searched for Tutor LMS, selected the correct free plugin, and clicked Install Now, then Activate. You're all set to explore what Tutor LMS can do for your online courses right inside WordPress.